In this video, we'll explore the drawbacks of CHB walls and discuss a game-changing alternative that's reshaping the world of construction. In construction, one size doesn't fit all. That's why Luftcrete Philippines offers a range of panel sizes to suit your project's specific needs. Meet our latest editions, Mega and FLEXI series.
Every project has unique needs. Whether you're building load-bearing exterior walls and interior or partition walls, choosing the right size ensures faster installation, better durability, and cost efficiency.
That's why we're introducing the Mega and the FLEXI series of our panels designed to give you the best performance for your specific projects.
Hi, I'm Engineer John.
Hello, I'm Engineer Jane, and we are from Luftcrete Philippines.
Introducing the Mega series. Mega 4 are designed for luxury and improved air circulation with increased length and superior strength. They are ideal for non-load-bearing walls and high-rise construction.
On my side, we have the FLEXI 4.
On my side, we have the Mega 4.
For Mega 4, it is best for luxurious residential and commercial walls. And for FLEXI 4, it is perfect for interior walls and partitions and room dividers. With our new Mega and FLEXI series, you get faster installation, stronger performance, and more cost-saving strategies. Whether you need reinforced durability or lightweight flexibility, we've got the perfect size for you. These panels are lightweight and easy to install, energy efficient and thermally insulated, water resistant, and fireproof.
The right panel makes all the difference. Mega 4, Mega 6, FLEXI 4, FLEXI 6, stronger, smarter, and built for the future.
Want to know more? Don't forget to visit our website linked down below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We can't wait to work with you.
Stronger, lighter, faster build. The Philippines' #1 choice for autoclave concrete wall panels. Luftcrete.